Okay, it's Monday, April 28th. Gorgeous day, sunshine. Wow, look at my small garden here in front. Beautiful, growing up. Wow, spring is here, really. Yeah, after paying all my bills, yeah, and went to TikTok this morning, and happy birthday Mamang. Happy birthday Mamang. I passed by Mamang's live in TikTok. Happy birthday Mamang. Okay, bought some lunch and some groceries here, and then I'm going up and go to my TikTok account and see whether we can visit some TikTok channels there to help some of them. Okay, April 28, what a gorgeous day. Spring is here. Ramon Flores, 80113. Love you all. Amen. Life of a senior. This is a life of a senior. It's a routine. Every month, pay the bills, everything. Alright, enjoy life. Wow, I want to sit a moment here so that I can enjoy the surrounding. Beautiful day, April 28. Ramon Flores channel saying goodbye. Amen. God bless to all.